You already want it!
Hands above your head.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to consult an attorney before speaking to the police and to have an attorney present during questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed to you before any questioning if you wish. If you decide to answer questions now without an attorney present, you will have the right to stop answering at any time until you talk to an attorney. Knowing and understanding your rights as I have explained them to you, are you willing to answer my questions without an attorney present?
No, I want a lawyer.
You were cited at the scene of the robbery. You have 3 charges of felony murder and 1 charge of armed robbery. You will not receive a bail.
There is substantial evidence against you for all charges. We issue an indictment.
Stanley, you have been charged with 3 counts of felony murder and 1 count of robbery with a firearm. Mr. Rona, how does your client plead?
My client pleads not guilty to these charges.
This case will go to trial on May the 4th.
I think you would make a great unbiased juror.
Hey man, this trial is gonna be radical.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, cold-blooded criminals like this man should be severely punished and shouldn't be seen on the face of the earth. I wish for you all to help me confine him to prison. If you look over there in the crowd, you can see the devastated families of the victims the suspect murdered. Imagine the pain of these families feel just because one person went on a maniacal killing spree.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, there have been many harsh crimes and many falsely convicted. Please don't hurt this man anymore.
Witness 1, please come up to the stand.
I was in the parking. It looks incredibly similar.
Well, Your Honor, how is the prosecuting attorney's argument credible? How is this proof credible? The witness is 5 years old. My client was picking up his nephew from daycare.
Witness 2, please come up to the witness stand.
I think my dad picked me up.
Your Honor, the defending attorney has also picked a witness that is also 5. And the witness hesitated when the question was asked, showing uncertainty in a possible bribe. On the doorknob of the bank, we found fingerprints that matches Stanley's fingerprints. In the hoodie the murderer wore, it was found in a forest a mile away. It also had the same fingerprints and a matching DNA blood stain on the sleeve. The suspect's gun was also found in the same forest with the fingerprints as well. In the hood of the jacket was a strand of hair which was tested and matched the DNA of the suspect, Stanley. There were also traces of gunpowder on the jacket.
Now, there is circumstantial evidence to indicate that Stanley has robbed a bank and has murdered 3 people. But I ask you to judge him by his actions and not the alleged claims. I declare Stanley Lu is innocent.
This country is a country of justice, so we will not allow these criminals, like him, to roam around a safe home. Put him to justice and make the families of the victims reassured in peace.
Jury, please discuss among yourselves to determine if the defendant is guilty or not guilty.
After discussing the verdict, in a unanimous decision, we have declared that the defendant, Stanley Lu, a 37-year-old doctor, is guilty for 3 counts of felony murder and 1 count of armed robbery.
The defendant will receive 55 years in prison with no possibility of parole.
No!